Somehow, we always end up working on things at night. What are we doing today, Gary? IGAOS top mount intercooler.
Nice.
Look at this go, guy.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
Everyone using a Dremel.
Man, what is this called? No. Chisel and hammer, baby.
But this is a lot more simple. You don't have to use a Dremel. You can just use sharp.
Chisel and hammer.
We have like
Literally
this
a
rusted ass chisel thing, a hammer, anything sharp. Maybe we are making pretty good progress, I'd say. We're doing the lining now. After we do the lining, that's pretty much it. And then we're done. We're gonna put in the ETS top mount intercooler on, and that's just basically like putting the stock one back on. So easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh, it's still recording, but it's not. Oh, it is? Yeah.
Forgot. Progress is progress. We're doing the last bit of oh, nice. Gary got the last little notch thing to tighten it up.
I push it down, right?
Nah, yeah, push it down, yeah.
Does that look low enough to you?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty spot on. Looks good. Oh, super smart. Jeez. All right, now we're gonna finish up the last thing and put everything back.
We're using a stripper wire.
Make use what we got. IGAOS is fully installed. We have all this stuff lined up. It's all neat. Zip tied in place. Made space for the intercooler. Look at that. ETS charge pipe going in. ETS top mount. ETS charge pipe. Doing the last steps. After we do that, we'll connect this, and then we put the bolts back on, and we are finished. We are finishing up, tightening all the stuff. Well, actually, everything is actually already installed. The only thing left to put back is the fan and the airbox. Gary's tightening the crap out of that right now. All done, boys. Huh? Oh. all done. So all that's left is to bleed the coolant or the AOS, and we are done. Not really a install guide or anything, really. We're just kind of giving a little update on the little bro's car. It's gonna be a super quick ski video. It exploded! It exploded! It exploded! Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. Super quick little update of what we have on Gary's car. Gary's car is coming along quite quickly, quite nicely. We got the ETS top mount intercooler installed. We also have the World Rally Blue IGAOS air oil separator, ETS charge pipe, ETS intake, even though you can't see it. But if you guys watched the previous video, which I will link up top, you guys will know. D-Man tune, full ETS kit up here. How you like this, Gary?
Oh, it's very nice.
Oh, very nice.
Yes,
Very good, very good, very good.
so, thank you for the help.
Of course, anytime. All right, peace out, guys.
Quick and smooth with this stuff.
Yeah, actually, even though, you know, there are little things, but I feel like it actually went really well. Really smooth. Really smooth. Alright, so we will catch you guys in the next video, which will be soon. If my exhaust comes. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. We have a lot more content coming on the way. Follow us on our socials. Can you throw up your Instagram real quick?
G.WRX.
You guys can give my brother a follow on there, and my social is Ricey Ricky, the same as the YouTube. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.